On our rear wheel we have a freewheel, not a freehub. That is, the poles and the splines are within the cassette system itself and not within the hub. Not too bad condition, and while I'm searching for a replacement, we're going to continue using this. To remove the rust, I've sprayed it with some of that rust remover, and we're going to use some Emery cloth to remove the rust from the cogs. We don't want to immerse this in rust remover because the fact that, remember that we also have ball bearings in the freewheel as well as grease, and we don't want to remove that grease. So we'll go ahead and start cleaning up the cogs. Now that we have most of the rust removed, we'll go ahead and remove the freewheel so we can get at the hub and refurbish the hub. For this Shimano, the same cassette removal tool, this is an FW30, that I use on my road bike, will fit perfectly and allow me to remove the freewheel. Utilizing my lock ring tool, my adjustable wrench, and what we call a cheater bar to give us more leverage. With enough force, I should be able to free up the freewheel. There we go. Now if I keep turning the freewheel counterclockwise, I should be able to remove it. And sure enough, after enough spinning, I can remove that freewheel. I'll give it a little more cleaning, clean around the hub itself, and we'll see if we can service the hub. To clean further, we'll use a long bristled brush. You can get one at ShopRite for cleaning dishes. This is a paintbrush that we've dedicated just to cleaning bikes, and some all-purpose biodegradable cleaners such as Simple Green. Long bristles allow us to get in deep into the cogs. Or instead, if you have available a park gear cleaner, you can use one end to brush the degreaser in, and the other end to clean between the cogs. Go ahead and wash with some soapy water. Rinse using my water bottle and spray it, and then dry thoroughly. You can fold and get between the cogs. And just keep going until you've wiped it nice and dry. After we finish wiping it down and cleaning it, recheck the ball bearings. If you notice as you turn the inside any binding, then we need to refurbish the ball bearing systems and re-grease within the freewheel, and we have a link in the upper right hand corner on how to do that. We'll push these together. There we go. Remove the axle from the drivetrain or freewheel side. We can see that we're also grease the ball bearings in the retainers. Bearings, we said, face inward.